You don't need a huge team or massive budget to close over 1 million from outbound. You just need the right tools and a simple system that runs like a machine. In this video, I'll break down the exact outbound tech stack I've seen work wonders for my clients, helping them build millions in pipeline revenue. Step by step, I'll show you how it's done, from email infrastructure and data sourcing to sending cold emails and booking meetings. I'll walk you through 5 core parts of the stack: email infrastructure, lead data, email verification, sending at scale, booking and managing meetings. These aren't just random tools I found on Product Hunt. Every tool in this stack has been picked and tested across dozens of campaigns and refined over time. It's designed to scale outbound without burning domains, hurting your sender reputation, or wasting hours on manual tasks. Let's start from the top. Section 1, email infrastructure. The first mistake most people make with outbound is that they rely on one email provider. I wouldn't do that. I recommend splitting between Google, Outlook, and Mail.co. Here is why. Diversifying helps you avoid reputation issues. If one inbox dips in deliverability, the others keep running. Mail.co gives you more flexibility when you need extra sending accounts. And bottom line, deliverability stays high and your emails land in the inbox, not spam. Section 2, leads data. Once your infrastructure is solid, it's time to feed it with great leads. We use Clay and Persona to build and enrich lists. Clay, perfect for building custom lead workflows at scale. Persona, amazing for real-time data enrichment and personalization. For B2B outreach, LinkedIn is a goldmine, especially for targeting decision makers at larger companies. And we also use the lead finders tools like the one inside Woodpecker. Woodpecker's lead finder lets you search for leads by job title, location, industry, and company size. It lets you build targeted lists directly inside the tool, and it lets you push them into your cold email campaigns with one click. This way, your data and outreach stay connected, and you can go from lead discovery to sending in just a minute. The result? Well, clean, segmented lists with rich data that make your outreach stand out. Section 3, email verification. You can have the best message in the world, but if you're emailing bad addresses, it won't matter. That's why we run every email through Bouncer. It's top-tier email verification tool that removes invalid emails, protects your sender reputation, keeps bounce rates super low. Think of it like a hygiene of your email list. There is no point in sending emails to dead addresses. Section 4, email sending. Next comes the engine of the whole system, sending emails. We use Woodpecker to run all our campaigns, and here is why. Big reason is that it integrates natively with Mail.co. So you can buy domains with already set up DNS records, manage email accounts, all inside Woodpecker. It allows you to instantly connect Mail.co inboxes to your campaigns, to auto-enable inbox warm-up right after purchase, and there is no need to jump between platforms. And when it comes to campaign management, Woodpecker gives you multi-channel sequences like email, LinkedIn, manual task, smart personalization with custom fields, and built-in integrations with tools like HubSpot, Calendly, and Google Sheets. You get full visibility across all campaigns, no matter how many inboxes you're running. With this setup, sending becomes automated, safe, and scalable without sacrificing deliverability. Section 5, booking meetings and CRM. The last part of the puzzle, turning replies into revenue. We use Calendly to schedule meetings instantly without back and forth. I avoid links in my content, but I use the Calendly link in my signature, making it easy to book a call at every step of my campaign. And once someone books, the data flows into HubSpot, where we track every deal and interaction. This helps us to prioritize hot leads, forecast pipeline, and align sales with marketing. And the beauty? Woodpecker integrates with both Calendly and HubSpot, so everything syncs automatically. Let's quickly recap the full stack. This system works because it's deliverability first, fully automated, integrated end-to-end. You don't need 20 tools to succeed at outbound. All you need is a smart, reliable stack that works together. If you want to see how I set up a campaign in Woodpecker from start to finish, drop a comment and I'll send you a full demo. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.